Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Wendy Jo, and this is a little different video that I normally post on here, but I needed to create a tutorial for my listings for digital templates. And so I thought I would just go ahead and create a video to share right here on YouTube so that you guys could also see some insight into how to edit a template on Canva. So, I've shared in like a couple of videos ago about how I was going to be starting simultaneously an Etsy shop as well as a regular website, and I'm gonna share the data of all of that on here as things progress. It's obviously taking some time juggling creating all the templates along with running my YouTube channels and all the other things that we do. But this is a step in the process, which is actually showing how to edit. Now, I'm not going to actually share the name of my shop on Etsy or my website for selling these templates directly on this channel because I don't want to falsely pump up the numbers of visitors and stuff to the website and to the Etsy shop. However, the template is available for sale through the link here on my site. The link is in the description of this video as well. So if you're interested in purchasing this template, you can do that from the description. So that's why I'm not sharing the website of where this is being sold or our Etsy shop or anything like that. It's simply just so that it doesn't skew the number of visitors versus purchases. It'll mess with all the algorithms on all the places. So this is just a simple tutorial that shows you how to edit these templates. These are what we call PLR templates. A PLR template is something that you can purchase. You can edit colors, fonts, etc., the styles, and then you can turn around and actually sell the finished product on your own website, on Etsy, or offer it as a freebie to your customers, those types of things. So that PLR license actually gives you the right to sell the finished product. Now you can't sell the template, but you can sell the finished product. This particular one is a digital planner. And so I'm just going to share my screen. I'm gonna actually share the video that I just recorded. And yeah, so enjoy. Let me know if you have questions in the comments below. And again, this is available. There will be a link in the description for it if you want to purchase it. And if you have any other ideas of PLR templates that you would like me to create that you can then turn around and sell, let me know and I'll do that for you. Hey guys, I'm Wendy Jo, and we're gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you quickly how to edit our new templates. These are all editable on Canva, and you're gonna receive that link. Make sure you keep the link that you received when you purchased this template because you will have lifetime access to all of the upgrades that happen inside this template. So if I add some new pages to the template or if I tweak some things, you're going to get access to that. So you'll just have to re-download the template to get those updates. Second thing is make sure that when you do download it for the first time that you come over here to File and make a copy. It's just smart to always have a base copy that you're working from so that if you make changes that you're like, oh, I can't fix it, you can go back and make another copy of the original and start again. Every one of my planners comes with 3 options for the cover. If you're doing this, using it for personal use, then you can use these covers all you want to. If you're reselling, especially on Etsy, you need to make changes. Part of that PLR license is you're agreeing to make changes to this template before you sell it. Okay, so make it your own, add your own little logo, add your own splash of style, and have fun with it. So a couple of things, let me show you. First, I'm going to show you all the pages are hyperlinked in here. So whenever you go to click on inside of the PDF version, let me just take you over to the PDF version really quick. So here's a little house. You can see it's going to take you to the index. Everything is hyperlinked inside of this calendar just to help you be able to jump around easily inside of it. So you can see on the side here, all the months are here. At the bottom down here, this takes you to the notebook paper. I'll go back home And then down at the very bottom is the habit trackers. So all the password trackers, debit trackers, workout trackers, habit trackers, all of that's in there. So everything is hyperlinked. They all have this weekly planner at the top as well as daily planner. And it always takes you to that section header so that if you, you know, have multiple pages inside of here, then it'll take you just to that main section and then you can go from there. So that is what it looks like inside with the hyperlinks. And it just makes it so much easier to navigate through. When you've got 50 pages, it's just easier. Okay, the second thing is editing inside of here. Sometimes you'll notice something will have like a lock on it. I don't know if I've gotten all the locks off of it. Yeah, this one. So if it says lock, just hit that unlock button and then you can edit it as you want, because you can literally change everything within this planner that you want to. This will take you back to it'll take you right here to the year at a glance. That's on all the pages as well. So if you're, say, down in your daily planner, down here, and you're working on something and you're trying to figure out, ooh, what am I gonna do, blah, 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 you can click that and it's gonna take you back to look at the full year and know what's happening. So, all right, let's talk about editing the actual planner. So you can do anything you want with this. You can edit the fonts, you can edit the colors, you can edit the layouts. One of the things I did when I was working with this before was just completely deleted this as I was playing around with it. I was like, you know, I kind of prefer this to be a little bit bigger. So what I actually did was just made this full-sized on here. Play around with it all you want to. All right, let's look at color. All right, let's do this one just because this is a basic. So if you want to change the color layout of this, the easiest way to do it is to go into styles, and then you will see that they have color palettes and they have combination palettes. Now, if you do a combination palette, it's going to change all the fonts as well as the colors within the entire document. So we'll do one of those first, and I'm going to show you what will happen with this and why you might want to make some changes. So we're going to apply this to the entire document. And if you don't like how it applied the color, you can also hit shuffle. So it moved a few things around, so you may have to, you know, you'll want to double check all of your pages and make sure that everything is readable, that it's workable. If you like how it looks, then you can hit apply to all pages, and it's going to take that color theme and those fonts and everything and apply it to every single page. The other thing you can do is you can go in and lock things that you don't want to change. So for instance, if you do not want this to be edited whenever you change all the fonts and colors, then, I mean, maybe you want these to be edited but not the words, then you can ungroup all of this and then you can select just these, group those, and then you can lock them. And so then whenever you go in and make changes, those are not going to change. They will stay the same. And honestly, in my original template, I do have these all locked anyway, so you'll have to unlock them for them to change. Otherwise, they will not change. But it's just a good idea to go through and lock things that you do not want to move around so that you don't have to start rearranging stuff. Okay, let's look at the picture frames. If you're not familiar with picture frames, basically you are gonna find free versions, free photos in here, and you're just gonna fill these little picture frames with pictures that apply to your theme. So for instance, these would kind of fit. And so you're gonna wanna fill those in and make any changes that you want to. If you want to just change colors, then instead of going into the combos with all of the fonts, you're gonna go in here and you can pick whatever color combo your little heart desires. You can also go in here, you can change things individually. So if you just wanna change the color of the cup, or if you just wanna change you know, something else, then you can. So I'm gonna apply that to all pages because that's actually a really fun color combo, especially for like spring and summer coming up. And as you can see, now our entire document is done in those colors. And again, just change out these images a little bit. You can change the entire setup of this. You can move these elements around. So like if you want it to come over here and you want to pop this up here and this here, and then maybe replace this with something else. Self-care. Here. There you go. And voila, you have a brand new cover that you can then work with. You can change the fonts. So we just click on the font, click here. You can go in and choose really whatever you want. And you can change the color of it as well. So let's say we're going to go with this blue color, and then we're going to change all the black across all the pages. So if you hit change all, it's going to change it on every single page. Also, if you change the font to something, let me go on this one because I already changed it on that one. So let's go up here to the younger serif. Change, and so now we're going to say change all. So that's going to change it on every single page. So you can see it's changed. All the cursive is now changed to that. So it's not just going to change it on one, it's going to change it on everything. So it may change the way that everything looks. So you're going to want to double check that. But again, it's super simple, and you already have a unique looking planner that looks very different from what I sent you. And this would be something that you could then turn around and sell. And obviously you could not, so you'd want to change all three of these images because you cannot resell it with the same exact thing that I have, because that goes against the PLR license. And you don't want to get shut down on Etsy, which they will if they think that you're not being original. The only other thing I would say is that if you want to add more pages of notebook paper, like if you want to add lots more dot pages or lots more lined pages or something like that, you can add up to 100 pages inside of Canva before they're like, no more. But once you're done, all you're going to do is hit share. And then you're going to hit download. You're going to choose PDF standard so that all of your links are clickable, and hit download. And then you will just upload that PDF version to your Etsy listing and you're good to go. Obviously, you're not going to be uploading the template to Etsy because you cannot resell the template with the PLR license, but you can resell the actual digital download itself, the planner. So I hope this helps you to understand how to edit inside of Canva with a template. If you have any questions, make sure to send me a message and let me know. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I have all kinds of tutorials on YouTube that tell you how to sell on Etsy, tips and tricks for Canva, and all of those types of things. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.